Welcome on into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. We're going to be using a leaf, and this is from the Dollar Tree. We're also going to be using metal and wood. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the things so that you can keep on coming back for more videos. Alright, so this was from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to leave that hanger just because I think I might like that. Otherwise, I may take it off and then just do like a larger one because I do think I might want it to hang a little bit more, but we'll leave that for right now. This is a metal leaf. I absolutely love this. I found this at Dollar Tree actually, which was kind of nice. It does have this little clip thing. We're not going to use that. It's okay. But I just like the fact that these guys look really good together. I love that. So let's get started with our base one first, and let's go ahead and just darken it. So we're going to be using the Waverly Antique Wax Baby Wipe, Antique Wax, and smear it on. Love the look of this, the wood. I just love this leaf in general. See, that's what it was, and that's what it is now. I love that. And we're going to take our red leaf. Look really good on this project as well. This is a really simple project, you guys. Really simple. I do kind of want to, I don't know, I want to do something to this. I'm not quite sure what I want to do, but I'm kind of thinking about taking some chalk paint. This is the black ink color chalk paint, and see if I can kind of rub some of this on. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not, but I kind of want it to be a little bit, I don't know, not a solid red, if that makes sense. I want to give it a little bit of something. The next thing we're going to do is glue our metal piece onto our wood piece. We're just going to take some Jenga blocks. The new Jenga blocks, I've noticed, they either come in wood color or they come in the white wood. So I'm just using the brown ones. We're just going to use some of our Gorilla Glue. Okay, after we put the two Jenga blocks on here, bring our piece back. The back, I'm just going to use tacky glue. I'm just going to use my simple tacky glue for that. I kind of like the fact, look, it comes out. I like that. Comes away from that. All right. I mean, I just want to leave it just like this, right? It looks so cool just like that. But I was thinking, I got some yellow raffia, and I had already made this bow for a different project, and I was thinking about placing it on this project, and I kind of like, I do like the way that looks. If you are interested in how I made this, I will message me in the comments, and I will do a video to show you on how I made this. So let's go ahead. So I'm going to stick it on this one versus up here because I like it down here. I think I like that a little bit better. And I like the long tails, so I kind of want to keep some of the length on the tails. And then we'll just glue this right on here to our metal piece. I may have to use the Gorilla Glue for that. I'm not sure if that's going to stay or not. We'll find out in about an hour. Alright, and like I said, I'm going to leave this hanger on. I am debating about putting a longer hanger just so it hangs a little bit longer, but I absolutely love the way this looks. I am simple. Actually, real quick, was thinking, I made these. These are clay leaves that I made myself, actually. And I got yellow. I think yellow would be too much. Or I've got the red. I think that's too much. I think we're going to do the orange. So we're just keeping this super simple. I love these colors. I like the orange and brown and red. It's a perfect fall colors. Perfect fall decor. Absolutely love this. Okay, and just now just let everything dry and it should be doing great. I'll hang a picture. I'll post a picture at the end. Take a look at it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all the things. Keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.